How to fix RECAPTCHA on Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix if your RECAPTCHA is not working on Google Chrome. So let's just jump right in. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings menu. And once you open up your settings, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the app section. Just tap on it. From here, you're going to have to find Google Chrome. You can either use the search bar at the top right and then search for Chrome, or you could just go ahead and scroll down until you find Google Chrome. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to notifications and make sure all of these notifications are allowed. Then head over to permissions and make sure that all of these permissions are allowed as well. So make sure you do that to all of these permissions. Now go back again and on the defaults, tap on the browser app and make Google Chrome your default browser. Then go back again. Now scroll down until you find storage. And on the storage section, go ahead and clear cache. And then clear data as well if you want. So it will simply go ahead and clear out all of your existing data on Google Chrome. And after doing all of this, just give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.